Hi guys, I forgot to explain to you guys in class how to do the word search, how you can edit it. So this is in the homework for lesson 4. So you need to find 24 parts of the human body and in the word search grid. I've given you some hints, but you need to find a total of 24 words. You can double click the image in Google Drawings, which is what I'm going to do. Double click it and then it opens up and then you can edit it. So you can start finding words. So I'm going to take a line. If you want, you can even do a scribble, which means that you just draw the line yourself. And here I found the word hands. Now, if you want, you can make the line a different color. I like working with greens. And you can also make the line a bit thicker if you want, or a bit thinner. Just make sure you can work with it and then you can find another one. So here I found stomach. Here I found mouth. Write them down if you want. You have to find 24 in total. When you have found a lot of them or all of them, then you make sure you click save and close, and then you can see they're here in my docs and you can keep working and it is saved. I hope this helps with your instructions and with the homework for next time. If you get stuck, just come by and see me, and otherwise ask questions on time. Good luck, guys.